Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we're going to be making something very nice, very simple, very easy. We're going to do something very flavorful. Also, we're going to be doing chicken wings, baby. I actually barely found out how to make chicken wings maybe like a couple weeks back. We're going to be doing something crazy though. We're actually going to be making some wings, but in the air fryer, baby. Well, you know that I'm on the spicy side because I'm a spicy type of gal. So we're going to be making two types of sauces. We're going to be making MANGA HABANERO wings, which is going to be amazing. That's actually one of my favorite wings ever. I love the spicy, I love the heat, I love the sweetness, and I love mangoes. Trust me, mangoes is my favorite fruit. Second one is like a sweet Thai kind of moment. I don't even know what kind of sauce it's called. I don't even know if the sauce has a name. That video actually will link down in the description box below how you can make that one because it is from a recipe that I found on YouTube. What better way to eat wings with ranch, baby? Because if you didn't know, well now you know because I'm telling you, I am a ranch connoisseur. I love ranch. Ranch is my favorite type of dressing. Put ranch on some dick, you know I'm there. But with that being said, I'm gonna shut the hell up now and we're gonna get started. Alright, so we're gonna start with our mango puree. Here I have a full mango that I just diced up. Put that bad boy in the blender. Here I'm gonna add two beautiful bright chipotles. Pop those bad boys in there. I'm gonna add also two garlic cloves, two nice garlic cloves. And here I have 5 tablespoons of white vinegar. White vinegar. Throw that in there. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water just to help it blend. Because it seems like she needs some help. There we go. Alright, now we got this weird looking ass paste right here. So, alright babies, for the next sauce, I'm going to be adding 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce. This is 3/4 cups of soy sauce. In here, we're going to be adding just a tad bit of rice vinegar to that. Next, I'm going to be adding some sesame oil also. I'm just going to add like just a tablespoon of that in there. Just to give it that nice aroma of that beautiful sesame oil, because trust me, it is amazing. Next, I'm just gonna add 1 spoonful of this chili garlic sauce. You can use this, you can substitute this for sriracha if you choose to, but I like this one just because it's just, I like the taste to it. Next, I don't have any fresh ginger, and I know that I usually like to use fresh ingredients for the most part. I'm just gonna add a tad bit of ginger. So gonna add 2 garlic cloves in there also. Nice. A little bit of black pepper also in there too, just like a tablespoon. And let's blend this bad boy up. Put it again. Alright. Feel like we got it done. We came here to slay. In here, look at that, look how beautiful she is. Yes, nice. Alright, beautiful, cool. Alright, next I'm gonna prep my wings. So here I have my air fryer. I'm gonna pull this bad boy out. This is the tray to the air fryer here, and then here I have some just olive oil like in a can. So I'm just gonna spray this bad boy. Nicely cover it. Yeah, my camera doesn't have oil on it. And then here I have my wings. Nicely placed. See how none of them are overlapping? They're all sitting just nicely flat onto the tray. I'm gonna pop this bad boy in here. Nice. Turn this on. We're gonna move this on to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then for our time we're gonna put 10 minutes. Let's go, baby. Alright, so the timer went off on our, on our wings. So see how, this is just 10 minutes of just it being in the air fryer. So now I'm going to flip them over. So we're gonna pop them back into the air fryer for another 10 minutes. While the wings are in the air fryer doing its thing, we're gonna go onto the stove here. So here I'm going to be prepping our mango habanero here, and then I'm gonna be prepping our sweet Thai sauce. At least that's what we're gonna call it. So here we have our sweet Thai sauce that we made earlier. I'm gonna throw this onto our little pot here. We're gonna put the stove onto a medium to low heat for both of these. Alright, and onto this pot we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of water. Off camera I added 1 tablespoon. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of, 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar onto the stove. Add a tad bit more water. So here I have a mixture of just 3 tablespoons of water and some cornstarch here. I mix it up here. This is the cornstarch that I've been using. And then just gradually, slowly just toss it in here while you whisk it. Now this is what's gonna make our sauce nice and thick. Oh, sorry, my bad. Now I'm gonna cover this. Keep this onto a low heat. Here now we have our sugar being nice and caramelized. Alright. I'm gonna whisk it just a little bit. Now here I have my puree, my mango puree that we did earlier. Throw that bad boy in there. Now whisk this bad boy in here. Get it to nice and simmer. Look how beautiful this is. And it's gradually changing colors, becoming to like a darker orange. Ooh, that shit is spicy, girl. Those 2 habaneros killed it. Alright, let's not neglect this part right here. See how she's, ooh, she's already cooked. Let me see. Look at her. Ooh, she's hot and ready. Oh my god. Pardon me. Beautiful. Alright, sister, you did it. Alright, put this here. Here. There we go, sister. We made our first sauce. Look at her. She's cute, nice and thick, just like us. Put it to the side. And we're not gonna neglect her. We're gonna toss her around just a little bit. Now she doesn't need any cornstarch just because honestly she's pretty nice and thick. Just like us, baby. Alright. Alright, so she's getting nice, beautiful, and bubbly, so we're gonna transfer onto our little cup. Alright, cutie. Let's go. Oh, and there goes our wings. So we're gonna go check on those bad boys right now. Alright, and then here we go. Look at our wings. They're very beautiful. They're nicey. They're glossy. They look gorgeous. They look healthy just like us. So we're gonna give it one more toss. Okay. Alright, then we're gonna pop these bad boys into our air fryer one more time for 10 minutes and then we should be done, ladies. Here we have our chicken wings. Look how beautiful they are. Look at the texture. Look how nice. Wow, bitch. I am surprised. You outdid yourself like always, bitch. But then again, you knew that you were gonna do yourself because you're that type of bitch. Here I have 2 bowls. I'm gonna separate each flavor. Let me see. Put them here. We're gonna throw in some of that sauce. Ooh, look at her. Just queen. We're gonna add her on here. I'm excited for this mango habanero. Hopefully it came out good. Alright. Oh, look how nice and covered these are, bitch. Yes. Okay, alright. She's cute. Alright, now here we have the mango habanero. Give these a nice turn. Hopefully, I know these are gonna come out fucking spicy. This shit's gonna burn my asshole. Cause I taste the sauce before I even, oof. Yep, she's gonna burn my asshole. But it's cute, it's alright. We got it. Now that we got our wings ready, let's taste test this bitch. Alright, taste test. Let's do this, baby. Alright, I'm starving, girl. I need to eat. Alright, so I did pair this up. Here's my cute little ice plate that I plated for today. You probably can't see it very well because, you know, but you're gonna see it in the promo, bitch. Alright, so here is my plate. I paired this up with some celery sticks, obviously some carrots, you know, traditional. We gotta go traditional. We'll eat these wings. Here I have my mango habanero. Here I have my mango habanero, and then here I have my nice sweet Thai chili. Let's just go with sweet Thai chili. Sweet Thai chili. Here I have my beautiful ranch that we just made, bitch, because you know damn well ranch is the ultimate dipping sauce for wings. Alright, let's do the mango habanero one because that's the one I was a little bit like on the front about. Alright, you ready? You ready to see this? Donk, bitch. Alright. Oh! It's not bad. Oh wow, it's actually not that bad. Wow. I expected a little bit worse. It wasn't that bad. It could have been a little bit more spicier. But it's definitely not gonna burn my ass off after I eat this. So, it's cute. Honestly, I've had some better mango habanero wings. But I'm not disappointed. They're pretty bomb. I like them. They're good. And the chicken was delicious, bitch. It was juicy. Because you know damn well we didn't overcook that chicken. Next one. The sweet Thai chili. You ready? Donk, baby. You know, I'm actually gonna drill this bitch. And I got no shame to put it on camera. I love fucking ranch. You ready? Let's do this. Oof. That one, we killed that shit. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. That one, hell yeah. To die for. Hell yeah, that was a good one, babe. Ooh, it's a little spicy too. That bitch took back. I'm ready for that one. That one was good. Yo, that one was a 10 out of 10. That was a good ass fucking wing, bitch. That was good. You know, damn well it was good because that shit came out clean. Alright. We did that. Alright. Final thoughts, ladies and gentlemen. Mango habanero. That one could have been done better. It could have been a little bit more spicier. Wingstop still has the best mango habanero. But I will find the secret and I won't make that mango habanero to tip-top shape. Now, that sweet Thai chili sauce, bitch. Now, that's some other level shit, bitch. That shit was bomb. I love that one. That was hella good. I can't wait to fucking kill that whole ball. Oof. Final thoughts, delicious, bitch. We came here to slay. Wings, that definitely was a 10 out of 10. Obviously, we gotta put our vegetables into our dinner because you know what? That food pyramid, bitch. You gotta follow that shit. But like I said, guys, thank you guys once again for tuning into my channel. I love it when you guys visit. Y'all know that we always have a good time. We will stay having a good time. So please remember to check out this bitch right here. She's kind of delighted to see us. She's fun. Or we can tune into this fun right here. Definitely this one. I think you should definitely watch this one. Oh, and then so remember to subscribe to this bad boy right here. Remember to subscribe to her. She is the channel that you want to be looking at. With that being said, thank you once again for watching another video. I'll see you guys next time.